So this is how you can add a signature to your Mac computer. So there are more places you can add it. The first one is when you are using the Mail app on your computer. Of course, you can get inside and browse your emails and everything. But in the top left corner of the screen, you can see the panel with the Apple logo and the Mail icon. And you can go to these settings right in here. This makes the settings show up and you can go through the general section, accounts, and so on. And one of them is definitely going to be the signatures. And this is where you can manage it, right? You might have multiple different accounts, so you can click on the plus button to create a signature specifically for iCloud, for example, or generally create a new one. You tap on a plus, and let's say I type in my name in here. I don't know, let's say it's going to be Lucas, and now this is going to be the signature in here on the right. So you can see this is my email, that's my signature, so I can change it. I don't know, I can have decided that I add stuff like, best regards and so on, right? So that's how you can add it, and this is essentially now going to be the signature I'm going to use across my emails. So that's one thing. However, you might also mean a different type of signature completely. For example, you might have a PDF on your screen, which, you want to sign as a document. And if that is the case, you can essentially select the PDF like this, click on the space bar on your keyboard to make it show up like this, and you can click on the edit button at the top, which looks like a pencil in a circle. It's for the markup. You can get inside, and you can either click on the pencil or drawing tool, and you can literally just draw your signature there, which would be fine, I guess. But we also have a dedicated signature icon, and as you can see, I have a couple of them pre-paired, but I can click on create a signature like this. You can see that it went to my camera. But the point is that you can, for example, go with the one which you have in here, like this one which says test, and you can place it anywhere you want, right? So let me again go to the creation. So for some reason it goes to the camera, or you can create one from the iPhone or iPad. In the camera, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to sign my name on a white paper and hold it visibly to the camera, so I guess that would work as well. So yeah, that's how you can create a signature on the Mac computer. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one, and I'll talk to you later in future uploads.